Are you a teacher, corporate trainer, or outdoor educator? Do you sometimes find it difficult to engage your groups or invite them to interact? Would you like your groups to get along and connect more meaningfully? Say hello to playmeo, the world's largest online database of interactive group games and activities. Playmeo is where the best trainers and educators get their games, all in one place. You get all the tools and activity ideas you need to help your groups have fun, interact, build trust, and connect. Our incredible database features hundreds of icebreakers, energizers, trust games, and team-building activities, perfect for groups of all sizes and backgrounds. Our powerful search engine will help you find the best activities to meet your specific program needs. They're all fun, and your groups will love them. Follow easy step-by-step instructions, or watch hundreds of video tutorials to know exactly what each activity looks like, sounds like, and feels like. Create playlists of your favorite activity sequences to make planning super easy. Develop your leadership skills by attending exclusive monthly webinars and get free coaching support from our team of international experts. And best of all, you get all of this and so much more in the palm of your hands. Join Playmeo today and become a seriously fun facilitator. Click the Search for Free button to get started.